In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enlarge candles on TradingView. If you've ever found yourself squinting at a chart to catch tiny details, this quick technique will immediately make your analysis clearer and more comfortable. The idea is simple. We'll make each candle appear larger on your screen so you can see bodies, wicks, and levels with more precision. Start by moving your mouse cursor directly over the chart area. This tells TradingView you're working with the chart itself and not the side panels or menus. Now press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. Keep that key held down as you use the wheel on your mouse. Roll the wheel forward to zoom in and enlarge the candles. If you roll the wheel backward while still holding Control, you'll zoom out and the candles will shrink. The key is to continue holding Control while you scroll. If you release it, you'll just scroll the page or shift the chart instead of changing the zoom. As you zoom in, you'll notice the time scale along the bottom and the price scale on the right adjust automatically. Each candle expands, and small details that were hard to see, like thin wicks, tiny gaps, or the exact relationship between the open and close, become much easier to read. This is especially helpful when you're confirming entries, checking how far a wick tapped a level, or comparing the size of a candle to recent price action. If nothing happens when you scroll, double-check that your cursor is inside the chart window and not hovering over your watch list, a toolbar, or an indicator panel. A smooth, steady scroll gives you more control than quick flicks of the wheel, so take it slow until you reach the view that feels right for you. A helpful habit is to pause briefly after each zoom to reorient yourself. Take a look at the time scale to confirm the period you're viewing, and glance at the price scale to note the current increments. This keeps you aware of both detail and context, and if you've gone a bit too far in, no problem. Keep holding Control and roll the wheel back to pull out until the chart looks balanced again. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor on the chart, hold Control, and use your mouse wheel to enlarge the candles to the size that suits your analysis. With this one simple motion, you'll get a clearer, more confident read on every chart you open in TradingView.